Hey everyone, I'm doing a tour of this van because I'm selling it. My children and I lived in it for 2 years and we lived rent-free. So if you're willing to cut ties with your landlord, reduce your cost of living, start a business, this is your opportunity to grab this truck today. The coolest part about this is there's no CDL required. It's commercial looking, so it's super stealthy. You can tow a car behind. That's an insane amount of power. So many amenities that one person could probably live in it for off-grid, that is, for about 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, depending on whether or not they do laundry during that time. And yes, it does have a washer and dryer in there. So let's take a look, let's take a tour. And if you could picture yourself in this van, let me know, drop a comment below. Let's get started.